In the night, creatures take flight, migration sway. Wings spread wide, seeking warmer day. From Arctic chill to tropics they beeline. Nature's map, they follow the divine. When the frost bites, some creatures deep hibernate. Slumber in caves, escaping winter fate. Echoes of silence, heartbeat slows to a crawl. Nature's lullaby, in darkness enthralled. Adapting moves, nature's groove, survival game. Pattern shifts, life persists, never the same. In the wild symphony, evolution's act. Orchestra of life, instincts stay intact. Masters of disguise, mimicry on display. In the shadows dance, predators led astray. Butterfly wings, eyes of the owl. False faces show, deceptions howl. Herding tight, strength and unite, safety by numbers. In rhythm they flow, synchronized slumber. From wildebeest plains to fish in the sea, united they stand, solidarity key. Migrating far, searching stars, a celestial trek. Pathway guided, never looking back. In the animal kingdom, a journey so bold. Facing the unknown, stories unfold. Adapting moves, nature's groove, survival game. Pattern shifts, life persists, never the same. In the wild symphony, evolution's act. Orchestra of life, instincts they stay intact. Symphony, evolution's act. Orchestra of life, instincts stay intact. Instincts stay intact. Instincts stay intact.